Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Education Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Hello students, we'll discuss Cartesian product of three sets. Already we discussed Cartesian product of two sets A and B. Okay, A and B are two sets. Then Cartesian product of two sets A cross B is set of all ordered pairs, okay, having first element from A and second element from B. Okay, now similarly what will get Cartesian product of three sets, okay, Cartesian product of three sets A, B and C. Okay, if A, B, C are three sets, then Cartesian product of A, B, C is a set of all ordered triplets. Set of all ordered triplets. Okay, in A cross B, set of all ordered pairs. Okay, in A cross B cross C is set of all ordered triplets having first element from A, second element from B and third element from C. Okay, so A cross B cross C is equal to set of ABC, where A belongs to A, B belongs to B and C belongs to set C. Okay, a Cartesian product of three sets ABC is set of all ordered triplets. Set of all ordered triplets having first element from set A, second element from set B and third element from set C. Okay, Cartesian product of two sets, already we discussed the Cartesian product of two sets A and B is a set of all ordered pairs having first element from set A and second element from set B. Okay, set of Cartesian product of three sets is set of all ordered triplets having first element from set A and second element from set B and third element from set C. Okay, A cross B cross C is equal to ordered triplet ABC. A belongs to A, B belongs to B and C belongs to C. Okay, now we'll discuss problems. If A is equal to set A contains the elements 1, 2, set B contains the elements 3, 4, set C contains the elements 4, 5, 6. Find A cross B cross C. Now here three sets given A, B, C. A is the set containing the elements 1, 2, B is the set containing the elements 3, 4, C is the set containing the elements 4, 5, 6. Find A cross B cross C. Okay, first of all I will calculate A cross B. Okay, Cartesian product of A and B. So Cartesian product of A and B is a set of all ordered pairs, first element from A and second element from B. So what is A cross B? Set containing ordered pair 1, 3, ordered pair 1, 4, ordered pair 2, 3, ordered pair 2, 4. This is A cross B. Now A cross B cross C, what we can write is A cross B cross C. Already A cross B calculated. Okay, what is A cross B? Set containing the ordered pairs 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. Okay, what is set C? Set C is set containing 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we will write ordered triplets like this 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. Next 1, 3, 5, ordered triplet 1, 3, 5. Next ordered triplet 1, 3, 6. Okay, ordered triplet 1, 3, 4, ordered triplet 1, 3, 5, ordered triplet 1 3 6. Next ordered triplet 1 4 4, 1 4 4, ordered triplet 1 4 5, 1 4 5, ordered triplet 1 4 6, 1 4 6. Next 2 3 combination, ordered triplet 2 3 4. Next ordered triplet 2 3 5. Next ordered triplet 2 3 6. Next 2 4 combination, ordered triplet 2 4 4, ordered triplet 2 4 5, ordered triplet 2 4 6. Okay, one thing you have to note that A cross B cross C is equal to A cross B cross C. Means here what I did to find out A cross B cross C, first I found A cross B, then cross product with C, or else you can find B cross C and cross product with A cross B cross C. Okay, so first of all, A is set A containing the elements 1 2, set B containing the element 3 4, set C containing the elements 4 5 6. To find A cross B cross C, first of all A cross B is equal to set of ordered pairs 1 3 1 4. Next ordered pair 2 3, ordered pair 2 4. Okay, this is A cross B. Now A cross B cross with C, A cross B cross with C, A cross B already found, cross product with C. So now we'll write ordered triplets 1 3 4, 1 3 5, ordered triplet 1 3 6. Next ordered triplet 1 4 4, 1 4 5, 1 4 6. Next ordered triplet 2 3 4, 2 3 5, 2 3 6. Next ordered triplet 2 4 4, 2 4 5, 2 4 6. Okay, like this we'll find ordered triplets. Okay, now we'll write some points. If A and B are two finite sets, number of elements in A cross B equal to number of elements in A into number of elements in B. Okay, suppose set A containing the elements, number of elements in set A is 3, number of elements in set B is 4. Then number of elements in A cross B will be 3 into 4, 12. Okay, if A and B are two finite sets, then number of elements in A cross B is equal to number of elements in A into number of elements in B. Okay, similarly for triplets, Cartesian product of three sets, if A, B, C are three finite sets, then number of elements in A cross B cross C is equal to number of elements in A into number of elements in B into number of elements in C. Okay, if A or B, if any one of them is infinite, if A or B, if any one of them is infinite, then A cross B is an infinite set. If either A or B is an infinite set, then A cross B is an infinite set. Okay, these points you have to know. Next, example 8, if P is a set containing the elements 1 comma 2, then form set P cross P cross P, P cross P cross P. So first of all, to find out P cross P cross P, first I will find P cross P. What is P cross P? Okay, ordered pair, set of ordered pairs. So 1 1, 1 2, 2 1, 2 2. Okay, now P cross P cross product with P is nothing but this one cross product with 1 comma 2, set containing 1 comma 2. So what we can write, 1 1 1. Okay. Next example 8, if P is equal to set P containing the elements 1 comma 2, form the set P cross P cross P. Okay, but to find out P cross P cross P, first I will find P cross P. So P cross P, what will get? P cross P means 1 comma 2 cross product with 1 comma 2. So what will get? 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2. This is P cross P. Okay, now P cross P cross P is equal to P cross P cross product with P. Okay, what is P cross P? 1 comma 1, set containing ordered pairs 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2. Cross product with P. P is a set containing the elements 1 comma 2, no? 1 comma 2. Now this cross product will get ordered triplets. What kind of order triplets? 1 1 1. Order triplet 1 1 1. Next order triplet 1 1 2. Next order triplet 1 2 1. Next order triplet 1 2 2. Next order triplet 2 1 1. Next order triplet 2 1 2. Next order triplet 2 2 1. Order triplet 2 2 2. Okay. Now here P is given as set containing the elements 1 2. We have to form P cross P cross P. First of all, P cross P is equal to order pairs, set containing the order pairs 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 2. Okay. Now P cross P cross P is P cross P cross product with P. Okay. Now we will get like this. Now ordered triplets, set of ordered triplets. So here how many elements in P? 2. So number of elements in P cross P is how much? 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Okay, check it out. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. Next example, if R is a set of all real numbers, R is set of all real numbers, what do the Cartesian products R cross R and R cross R represent? Okay, if R is set of all real numbers, what do the Cartesian product R cross R? Now R cross R represent set of all ordered pairs. R cross R, it will be like this, no? Represent set R cross R equal to ordered pair x comma y, where x comma y belongs to R. What is it? X comma y, this is represent the coordinates of all points in two-dimensional plane. R cross R, here we have ordered pairs which represents the coordinates of all points in two-dimensional plane. Okay, represents all points in two-dimensional plane. Okay, and Cartesian product R cross R represent set of all ordered triplets, okay, where x y z belongs to R, which represents the coordinates of all the points in three-dimensional space. All the points in three-dimensional space. Now R cross R represents set of all points in two-dimensional plane, whereas R cross R represents all the coordinates of the points in three-dimensional space. Okay, R cross R represents points in plane, R cross R represents points in space. Okay, three-dimensional space. Okay. Here what is given? R is set of all real numbers. What do the Cartesian product R cross R and R cross R represent? Okay, now R cross R represent all the points in two-dimensional plane. Okay, and Cartesian product R cross R represent the coordinates of all points in three-dimensional space. Okay, next question. If A cross B given as set containing the ordered pairs P comma Q, P comma R, M comma Q, M comma R, then what is set A, what is set B? Okay, A cross B given like this, ordered pairs, what is set A representing, what is set B representing? Okay, now set A represents set of all first points in the plane, all first points. Okay, set of first elements. Okay, A represents set of first elements, B represents set of second elements. Now here in these ordered pairs, what are the first points? Here P, so P, M. So A is what? Set of first element, that is set containing P comma M. B is a set of second element, here Q, R. So what are the elements in set B? Q comma R. Okay. Next, exercise 2.1. If the ordered pair x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3, ordered pair x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3, find x value and y value. Now two ordered pairs are equal, means first element of first ordered pair equal to first element of second ordered pair, second element of first ordered pair equal to second element of second ordered pair. Okay, then by the definition of equality of ordered pairs, we have x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3. Okay, x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3. If you take LCM, x plus 3 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3. 3 cancel. So x plus 3 is equal to 5. X is equal to how much? 2. Okay. Next, second element, y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. This minus 2 by 3, if you write this side plus 2 by 3, y is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 1, y is equal to 1. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Okay. Next question. Next question, if the set A has 3 elements and set B is equal to set containing 3, 4, 5, then find number of elements in A cross B. Okay. Now what is given here? It is given that set A has 3 elements and the elements of set B are 3, 4, 5. So number of elements in set B equal to how much? 3. So what is the question here? Find number of elements in A cross B. Number of elements in A cross B is equal to what we know, number of elements in A cross B equal to number of elements in A into number of elements in set B. Okay, number of elements in A cross B is equal to number of elements in set A into number of elements in set B. Okay, number of elements in set A how many? 3, and set B containing the elements 3, 4, 5. So number of elements in set B is also 3. So 3 into 3, 9. The number of elements in A cross B is 9. Okay, what is given is if the set A has 3 elements, so number of elements in set A is equal to 3 and set B is equal to set of 3, 4, 5. So number of elements in set B is also 3. Find number of elements in A cross B. Okay, so number of elements in A cross B is equal to number of elements in set A into number of elements in set B. Okay, number of elements in set A is 3, number of elements in set B is 3. Okay, 3 into 3, 9. So number of elements in A cross B is equal to how much? 9. Okay, next question. If set G is equal to 7, 8. Okay, set G equal to 7, 8 and set H is equal to 5, 4, 2. So number of elements in set G is equal to 2. Those are, what are those elements? 7 and 8. Number of elements in set H is equal to 3. What are those elements? 2, 4 and 5. Find G cross H and H cross G. Okay. Now what we know? We know that Cartesian product of two sets P and Q is P cross Q. Now what are the elements in P cross Q? P cross Q is set of all ordered pairs. Set of all ordered pairs. Okay, set of all ordered pairs P comma Q, where P belongs to set P and Q belongs to set Q. Now using this G cross H, this also contains set of all ordered pairs. So first elements are from set G and second elements are from set H. So what we can write? 7, 5, ordered pair 7, 5, ordered pair 7, 4. 7, 5, 7, 4. Next 7, 2. So 7, 5, ordered pair 7, 5, ordered pair 7, 4, ordered pair 7, 2. Next with 8, ordered pair 8, 5, 8, 4, 8, 2. Okay. Next this is G cross H. Next H cross G. So here also we have ordered pairs. First elements from set H and second elements from set G. Okay. So ordered pair 5, 7, ordered pair 5, 8. Next ordered pair 4, 7, ordered pair 4, 8. Next ordered pair 2, 7, ordered pair 2, 8. Okay. Now here G is a set of 7, 8. H is set containing the elements 5, 4, 2. Find G cross H and H cross G. Okay. Now G cross H, first elements from set G and second elements from set H. Okay. Now G cross H, first element is 7, 5, ordered pair 7, 5, ordered pair 7, 4, ordered pair 7, 2. Next ordered pair 8 comma 5, 8 comma 4, 8 comma 2. Okay. Next, H cross G. First elements from set H, second elements from set G. So 5 comma 7, 5 comma 8. Ordered pair 4 comma 7, ordered pair 4 comma 8. Next, ordered pair 2 comma 7, ordered pair 2 comma 8. Okay. G cross H and H cross G. Okay. Next question. State whether each of the following statements are true or false. If the statement is false, rewrite the statement correctly. Here we have to check whether the given statement is true or false. If it is false, we have to rewrite the statement correctly. Okay, here we have 3 questions. First one, if P is set containing the elements m comma n, Q is set of the elements n comma m, then P cross Q is given as set containing ordered pairs m comma n and n comma m. Whether this statement is true or false. Now obviously this statement is a false statement because set P containing 2 elements, set Q containing 2 elements, then P cross Q contains 2 into 2 4 elements, but here only 2 elements given, no? Okay, so here the statement is false. Okay, if P is equal to m comma n, set containing the elements m comma n and Q contains the elements n comma m, then P cross Q is equal to what? Set containing the ordered pairs m comma n, m comma m, n comma n, n comma m. Okay. Here given that P is set containing the elements m and n, Q is the set containing the elements n and m. Okay, then P cross Q is given as ordered pair set containing the ordered pairs m comma n and n comma m. Okay, obviously this statement is false because this set P containing 2 elements, Q containing 2 elements, then P cross Q contains 4 elements. Okay, so what is P cross Q? It is a set containing the ordered pairs m comma n, ordered pair m comma m, ordered pair n comma n, ordered pair n comma m. Okay, next question. Now if A and B are 2 non-empty sets, then A cross B is a non-empty set of ordered pairs x comma y such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Obviously this is a true statement only. That is the definition of Cartesian product of 2 sets. Okay, if A and B are 2 non-empty sets, then A cross B is a non-empty set of all ordered pairs x comma y such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. That is obviously a true statement. Next one, if A equal to 1 comma 2, set A contains the elements 1 2 and set B contains the element 3 4, then A cross B intersection null set is a null set. Whether this statement is true or false. Here this statement is true, obviously true, because B intersection null set is null set only, no? So A cross null set is null set. So given statement is true. What is given here? Set A contains the elements 1 2, set B contains the element 3 4, then A cross B intersection phi is phi. Okay, A cross B intersection null set is a null set. Okay, but here B intersection null set is obviously null set, no? So A cross null set is what? Null set. So given statement is true. Next, if A is equal to set containing the elements minus 1 and 1, then find order triplet A cross A cross A. Okay, A equal to minus 1 comma 1, find A cross A cross A. So A cross A cross A is equal to A cross A we can write. Now A cross A contains the ordered pairs. What kind of ordered pairs? Minus 1 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 1, next 1 comma minus 1 and 1 comma 1. Okay, now cross product with A. Now here ordered triplets will get what kind of ordered triplets? Minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. Next minus 1 comma 1 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 1 comma 1. Next 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. Next 1 comma 1 comma minus 1. Next 1 comma 1 comma 1. These kind of ordered triplets will have. Okay. A is given as a set containing the elements minus 1 comma 1. Find A cross A. So A cross A we can write like this. No, A cross A. So first of all, A cross A is what? Minus 1 comma minus 1. Ordered pair minus 1 comma minus 1. Ordered pair minus 1 comma 1. Ordered pair 1 comma minus 1. Ordered pair 1 comma 1. Okay. Cross product with minus 1 comma 1 is minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Ordered triplet minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Ordered triplet minus 1 minus 1 1. Next ordered triplet minus 1 1 minus 1. Ordered triplet minus 1 1 1. Okay. Ordered triplet 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1 1. Okay. This is the answer. Next question. A cross B given as set containing the ordered pairs A comma X, A comma Y, B comma X, B comma Y. Find A and B. Find set A and set B. Now here in A cross B, A is set of first elements, B is set of second elements. A is set of first elements and B is set of second elements. So A is equal to A, B, B. So nothing but set of elements A comma B. Now B is set of all second elements, no? So X, Y. So B is set of second element, that is set containing X comma Y. Okay. Next question. If A is equal to set A contains the elements 1, 2, set B contains the elements 3, 4, write A cross B. Write A cross B. How many subsets will be in A cross A? How many subset will A cross B have? And list them. Okay. Now first of all, A cross B will write. So A is set containing elements 1, 2. B is set containing the element 3, 4. A cross B is equal to set containing 1, 3. Ordered pair 1, 4. Ordered pair 2, 3. Ordered pair 2, 4. So number of elements in A cross B how many? Number of elements in A cross B is 4. Okay. So we know that if C is a set with n of C is equal to m, then number of elements in its power set is 2 power m. Now if a set having m elements, then number of subsets will be 2 power m. Okay. If a set having m elements, number of subsets will be 2 power m. Okay. Then number of subsets of A cross B are 2 power 4, nothing but 16. Okay. So what are those? First one is null set. First subset is null set. Null set is subset of every set. Next singleton 1 comma 3, singleton ordered pair 1 comma 4. Next ordered pair 2 comma 3, ordered pair 2 comma 4. Now these are with 1 1 ordered pairs. Next subsets with 2 ordered pairs. So 1 comma 3 ordered pair 1 comma 3, ordered pair 1 comma 4. Next ordered pair 1 3, ordered pair 2 3. Next set ordered pair 1 3, ordered pair 2 4. Okay. Next set with ordered pair 1 4, 2 3. Next set with ordered pair 1 4, 2 4. Next set with ordered pair 2 3, 2 4. Okay. These are subsets with 2 elements. Next subset with 3 elements. So what we can write? Subset ordered pair 1 3, 1 4, 2 3. Okay. Next subset 1 3, 2 3, 2 4. Next subset 1 3, 1 4, 2 4. Okay. Next subset 1 4, 2 3, 2 4. Next subset is ordered pair 1 3, 1 4, 2 3, 2 4. Okay, but here A, set A is having elements 1 2, set B having elements 3 4, write A cross B. Then how many subsets will A cross B have? List them. So A is a set containing 1 2, B is set containing 3 4, then A cross B is equal to set of ordered pairs 1 3, 1 4, 2 3, 2 4. Okay, so number of elements in A cross B are 4, number of subsets will be 2 power 4, nothing but 16. So what are the subsets? First is null set, next set with subset with a single element, that is set of 1 comma 3, ordered pair 1 comma 4, set with ordered pair 2 3, set with ordered pair 2 4. Next with 2 elements, so set with 1 3 and 1 4, ordered pairs 1 3 and 1 4. Next with set with ordered pair 1 3 2 3. Next ordered pair 1 3 2 4. Okay, next ordered pair 1 4 2 3. Next ordered pair 1 4 2 4. Next ordered pair 2 3 2 4. Okay, next subsets with odd 3 elements. Next set with 3 elements. So what are those? Ordered pair 1 3 1 4 2 3, that is one set. Ordered pair 1 3 2 3 2 4, that is one set. Ordered pair 1 3 1 4 2 4, that is one subset. And ordered pair 1 4 2 3 2 4, that is one subset. Okay, and last one is set itself. Okay, every set is subset to itself, that is ordered pair 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4. Okay, we will conclude up to here. We will discuss remaining problems in next session.